So in this video, I'm going to go through the process of how to recalibrate the gyro on the WL Toys XK110 helicopter. This is pretty good to do if you've had a crash and you've had to replace a bunch of parts or something else. It's always good to recalibrate the gyro and get it flying nice and smooth. As you can see, if you've been following my videos, I bent my main rotor shaft and my rotor head stuck on, so I bought a new rotor head, and this is quite a major component change, so I wanted to recalibrate the gyro and have it flying smoothly. First, before you recalibrate the gyro, you want to get your swash plate as level as possible. This can be done by adjusting the 3 different linkages that go to the servo and taking it out of 6G mode on the transmitter. As you can see here, this is out of 6G mode. We are reasonably level. If I turn it into 6G mode, you can see that's how it wants to fly to keep it all stable. So yes, level the swash plate as best as you can, and then you can move on to the calibration, which I'll show now. The helicopter on the ground, connect the battery and wait for the transmitter to bind to the helicopter. Once this is done, you hold the pitch stick down for approximately 3 seconds until the light starts flashing on the receiver as shown. It is now in bind mode to go and fly. Now you can go and fly, and it's best to hover at about eye level for about 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure you are out of ground effect when hovering, and this will just give you much better results. When you're finished, bring it into a nice soft landing. With the helicopter landed and the throttle stick all the way down, move the pitch stick all the way down again for 3 seconds until the light stops flashing. Now the gyro has been calibrated and you can go and fly.